Our most memorable experience, though, has to be related to the beginnings of Tensoft and early on our exposure to. So we had built a supply chain application for a couple semiconductor companies. We had done this as a custom application, and we had brought our design knowledge and our software development knowledge and our industry, our practice of how to build good software and good usable software to this. And we knew the experience of those two companies, but it was the classic sort of very narrow experience or requirement from a couple of industry associations. We participated in the GSA, we've got some exposure there when we were looking to take our experience early on in 1999-2000 from a couple of companies and broaden it out. And so we started attending and participating in the business management committee meetings, and we put together a design review committee that was 4 early beta customers and an analyst from the GSA, the gentleman running the business management committee. And we met quarterly over the next year, over the next 12 to 18 months, where we would do design, we would bring it back to this committee, we would have these review sessions, not always pleasant, sometimes painful, sometimes sort of explaining our concepts and how people would understand them and reviewing it. But really, the initial genesis of our involvement with the GSA and how we participated was this process of turning our experience building custom applications into a general market product and using some of that broader exposure, both from general GSA perspective and individual fabless companies combined, to turn it into a commercial product. The success of that has been that the core kernel, the core design model and data structures from that initial redesign of our version 2 have lasted for 10 years at this point. So while the user experience has changed, the functionality has changed, the core data design and functionality that was the key to managing the inverted BOM has stayed the same. And so hard to ever replace the experience of doing a design and getting feedback and really the early creation of our company's product in this area.